I told myself I'm not gonna do it. Promised myself I wasn't gonna get sucked in, but I could not help myself. I put in my very first order with TEMU. So what changed my mind? My mom. She put in a couple different TEMU orders and she was showing me all the cute stuff that she had ordered and what was arriving, and it made me excited to try it out too. So this is my very first box and you and I are gonna open it together. Now, before we get started, maybe you're asking, what in the world is TEMU? Well, it is an online marketplace that offers the most competitively priced products in multiple categories, including fashion, jewelry, home decor, pet supplies, and more. I'm going to be featuring several of those. You can see a wide variety today in this video. And they also have affordable prices and amazing coupons. I even have a 30% off coupon code for you, which is SALE4582, and a link down in the description box. You can find even more information and click over easily by going down there. But I also love that they have free shipping, free returns up to 90 days, and they also accept all major credit and debit cards, electronic payments, and they have pay later options as well. They make it really easy to shop online as well. You can use your computer and go to temu.com, or my favorite way to shop is just using their app. You download it on your phone and you can get to shopping instantly. All right, so I'm already excited. Open up the box. There's all kinds of stuff in here. I ordered things from all different categories so I could test them out, share them with you guys, and also give you my 100% honest opinion. All right, so first up is this bird feeder. I've seen these on infomercials and different websites, and I thought this would be fun to put in our kitchen window because we have birds in our backyard quite a bit, and it's just an acrylic little bird feeder with a little roof on it too, which is cute, and it's got suction cups, and you put it on your window and you put the bird feed in here, and then the little birdies can come sit and eat, and you can see them through the window. So let's try it out. I'm so glad that we have tilt-in windows. It'll make it easy for us to keep refilling the bird seed. I can't wait to see the first birdie come for a snack. Oh my gosh, I am so excited about this. I saw this and had to have it. Like, there was no not getting this. We got a new puppy last year. She's almost a year old now, which I can't believe, but we named her Honey, and they had a neon sign. So plug this in and try it out, and then I think we're gonna put it on her doghouse. So she may not look like it in this video, but this is her happy place, her little kennel. She finds it so safe in there. I was a little bit worried about her chewing on the cord, so we actually hung this on our pocket doors behind her little house to make sure she was safe. So as I mentioned, TEMU also has a great selection of pet supplies, and I got a few more for Honey I want to share with you. First up is this light up collar. They had lots of fun colors to choose from. They do have plastic clips on them though, so I would not trust a leash. If you're going to take your pet for a walk, I would use a harness like we do. It has 3 different settings, 2 blinking settings, and then just a constant stays on all the time light up setting. Perfect for our evening walks. Great to make sure she's seen in the evening time and when it's dark. So the next item is for Honey, but it's not necessarily a pet item. I'm laughing because I think I forgot that I even ordered this. But it comes all twisted up, so it's nice and compact when you're not using it, and it pops open and is a little ball pit corral thing. So they had them in 2 different colors. Got Honey the pink one, and we still need to get some ball pit balls, but she didn't quite know how to get in there, so I just tossed a ball in, and of course she thinks it's fun and funny, and I can't wait to get the ball pit balls to really see how she plays with it. And of course, these would be great for kids too, but for less than $5, a great find. They also have some great pet toys. I like this one because it has that toothbrush, cleans their teeth, but it's real soft rubber, so it's not going to hurt them. She took to it right away. I'm pretty sure I probably could put some peanut butter or treats in here too and make it one of those interactive toys as well. All right, so Honey is cute and everything, but we're going to move on. This is a crafting and DIY channel, so I got some great crafting finds to share with you as well. This is a mini printer that is charged with a USB, so no batteries. compact, tiny, and you can take it with you if you want. And this is probably my favorite crafting item that I ordered. Works so good. You get the instructions. It gives you a little QR code that will give you the app that you download, and then as you can see here it gives you all kinds of options for the different things that you can use the printer to create. First up, I'm making a banner that says happy birthday. It just happened to be my mother-in-law's birthday that day, so it seemed fitting, and it doesn't take very long at all. It just thermal prints onto paper, you rip it off, and you have a printed banner. So many other options in there, including little Post-it notes and notes, to-do lists. You can do reminders, you can print photos. So I mean, once you get in that app, you're just gonna like be able to create so many different things. So I love this one. It was super cheap too. This is my 4x6 printer, and it just is so tiny. It fits right in there, so I can keep it handy. I don't know how I lived without this. This is a mini handheld vacuum, under $10. It only takes 2 AA batteries, and then it has a switch on the front. I want you to hear the power of the suction of this vacuum. And yes, I am purposefully making a mess just for you guys so you can see how this actually does a really great job. So these are just some confetti, little glitter pieces. You can see the vacuum does a great job collecting it all. And then to empty it, you just pull the bottom off, and that's where the collection container is. Just shake it into the trash can, kind of tap it together, get it all out of there. You pop the lid back on there, and you're good to go for the next mess. I also found these really pretty scissors. I'm always in need of some good sharp scissors, so I wanted to give these a try. So of course they're really pretty, but you want them to work as well. But these were less than $2, and I wanted to give them a trial run, so I picked up some really heavy duty cardstock, cut a few pieces, highly recommend, great price, and they work great too. If you haven't tried yarn punch art before, definitely give it a try. It's kind of a mixture of embroidery and just embroidery with yarn, but you use this needle punch thing. And TEMU has full crafting kits. You can see here I'm pulling out everything possible you would need for this project at a really affordable price. They also have lots of different options to choose from, so if you really get into it, you can order more and keep going. It's also a lot of fun to decorate your crafting space, and these light bulb neon signs are perfect. Had to have one of these, very similar to the honey neon sign that I showed you earlier, but this one has the option to do a USB power source, or you can also put in 3 AA batteries and use it that way to turn on and off. How cute is that? They had different color choices to choose from, even multicolored ones. You can pick and choose. You can see I already have that rainbow neon sign in my craft space, so it was fun to kind of continue that theme on over to this wall. It would be cute in your craft space too, though. I know I'm getting a little bit ahead of myself here, but I'm already planning on doing a rainbow colored Christmas tree in the craft space this year. I'm so excited about it. If you're new and you do not know, I have another Christmas channel called The Cozy Christmas Cottage, and it comes back to life every year for Christmas in July, which is not too far off. So I need to start thinking about these things, and these lights are absolutely perfect. They have so many different options in the most perfect rainbow option, but they also will dance to music. You can set different modes. You can turn them all to one color, and you can see at nighttime. Look how absolutely fun this is. So make sure to subscribe, come back. You don't want to miss Christmas in July. Head over to the Cozy Christmas Cottage now. Subscribe over there. I can't wait to put this Christmas tree together. These would be great for anybody's Christmas or everyday decor though too. I'm really getting into my outdoor decor now that it's springtime, and this is the cutest little outdoor solar powered light I have ever seen. It's a watering can with fairy lights, and it even comes with its own shepherd's hook. It twists together so it comes all nice and compact, and if you want to put it away for the end of the season, easy to do that too. You just twist it together, insert that into the ground, and I have a little rock bed here, so I even put a few rocks on top of there to make sure it didn't move. Put the watering can on the hook, and then you kind of untwist all of the little fairy lights, tuck them down into a bush like I'm doing here, or a flower bed or a flower pot. So it looks like when the lights go out, when the sun goes down and the solar lights kick in, that you are watering these plants with those cute little twinkle lights. And if you'll notice on the house, you can even see that the watering can casts a really pretty glow of lights and shadows. It looks really pretty. I just love this. It gives you such a cool vibe, and it just looks really classy and high end. So highly recommend this from TEMU. This next outdoor garden light, I was so excited about. I've seen these around. They're little globe solar lights that you tuck into either plants or behind plants, and they're supposed to look like fireflies. So this one has two different settings. It has a blinking one and then a constant on one. So you just want to make sure that the solar panel can be seen so it can recharge. However, I was a little bit disappointed whenever the sun went down and these lights came on, because unfortunately I thought I had ordered the white lights, but as you can see, I got the colored ones. They don't kind of go in and out softly like a firefly would. These flash on and off, so it's not what I wanted. Still a cool effect. So hopefully in the future I'll be able to get the firefly lights that I was really hoping for. Next up, we're going to be doing quite a bit of traveling in the next several months, so I wanted to test out some of their travel supplies. These little containers are so pricey anywhere else, so whenever I saw they were under $7 at TEMU, I wanted to give them a try, and I was pleasantly surprised. These are just as good as any of the other ones that you find in retail stores, or even ordering online. They are much more expensive, so this is a great deal if you can get your hands on them. I'm so excited. The very first time either me or my husband have gotten passports. So we are so excited to do some major traveling soon, and we needed some passport covers. These were under $4 each at TEMU. This one, my husband, that I got for him, has so many pockets in it, a really nice sort of suede leather, has SIM card holders, and the RFID protection in it too. So for under $4, this is a really great deal and price. Mine was a little bit more simplified, but I really like that tropical kind of vibe that it was giving, so still loved mine too. I also ordered this for my husband. It's a nice travel bag for him. It has a little hook on the inside, so you can hang this up. It has a nice waterproof plastic pocket in the front, and then a smaller pocket in the front. So many different compartments on the inside that expands to mesh pockets above that can hold smaller items, and then in the back side here, even a pocket back there, and then a handle as well. So this is about $5 and another great deal. I am such a earring snob. I have so many earrings, but with prices like this, you can go hog wild and it's no big deal. These cute cow ones I got for my daughter. She wants to be a vet tech with large animals, so she loved those, but these gold ones were my absolute favorite. For me, it's like the bigger the better, so these definitely fit the bill and are so pretty. I love that they look really nice and high-end and classy, but they were super cheap and affordable too. So love those. These green ones were my second favorite. I'm just obsessed with green right now, so loved those. Still giving me all the tropical summer vibes too, so I can wear these all season long. I also tested some of their clothes. As you saw, we're going to be doing some traveling, and this is going to give it away. We're going to be going on our very first cruise. Me and my husband have never been before, and this one says on cruise time. I was impressed with this fabric. It is not thin. It is not junky feeling. It's good and thick, and you're not going to be able to see through it. Nice stretch to it, and even the paint on there is really nice, high quality, heavy duty, and you can see it fits really well. It's not short, covers up those hips. Sometimes I need that. And I also will likely probably do a front tuck with this with some shorts. I am so excited about this cruise. So if you have any tips for a first-time cruiser, leave those in the comments below for me. I also wanted to test out some of these shorts. These are really nice wind running shorts. They have 2 zipper pockets on the side, which is great for running if you're going to be taking keys or something with you. And the back even has a nice detail on it with the little vents in the back. So these were a great find and price too. If you need a little bit of calm and serenity in your life, get this cute little birdie. You can hang it. It's got the little hook on the top, so you can hang it if you want. Or it also comes with this stand that just pops onto the bottom, so you can use it as a shelf sitter. And look at this. Just a little tap on the head and it turns it to a warm white, and then a bright daylight, and the third is a bright warm white, and the fourth just turns it off completely. But I love the low, medium, warm white. It just gives you such a subtle, serene, calming effect. This is sitting next to my bed on our end table now, and I just love this cute little guy. Let me know which item was your favorite from my Temu haul today down in the comments below. And then also head over to the description box. I'll have a link to Temu, and also that coupon code is SALE4582, which will save you 30% off your Temu purchase. You're already getting a good deal. Might as well make it even more sweet. I want to thank you all so much for joining me today, and I will see you in the next one. Have a creative day.